I appreciate all the help you give
What
me.
size tractor is that?
Coyote.
Coyote.
It's a 24 horse diesel.
There you go.
And you just picked up that 16 to 17 foot. That's a hell of a look for the 24 horse. You won't find one without working. That's a wonderful look.
How do you like your tractor?
I love this son of a bitch.
I got one of these Kubotas myself.
This is a Coyote.
Coyote.
It's not a Kubota.
I thought it was a Kubota.
Oh hell no.
Coyote.
This thing is a Coyote.
Coyote.
It's a K2016. It's heavier than a Kubota. It has no aluminum in it whatsoever. It's
Oh,
all
yeah?
steel frame,
Yeah,
100%. Yeah. 25 horsepower. It has been a beast.
Looks like it's done a good job out here.
Oh yeah, you saw them damn I just barely grabbed them, but good Lord. I was abusing it today.
Coyote. It's Miller time.